Hi, it's Tina and Tim again, and we're here to talk about child support and the different factors that take place in considering whether your child support changes either up or down. So today, Tina's going to discuss that. And the first factor, Tina, is what does it mean when we take in the financial resources of both the custodial and non-custodial parent?
This is one of the factors you can use to determine whether or not your support obligation is fair and reasonable, or whether it is unjust and inappropriate. It's one of the factors the courts must look into. So that means, as an attorney, you must get out certain testimony from your client as well as the other side to show all available resources. That means if you're living with somebody, what do they earn? Do they contribute to the household expenses? You look at bank accounts, you see how much money they have saved. You look at everything, whether or not a mother or father gives their children money. I mean, I'm not talking about the parents trying to get child support from one another. So you want to look to see if the parents are matched or not. So say the custodial parent makes $1 million a year. We'll use that as an extreme. And the non-custodial parent makes $15 an hour, or approximately like close to $30,000 a year. Well, it's not a just and appropriate award for him or her to pay the full amount of support, considering the millionaire has enough money in their household to support the children. So it should be a basic order, but you need to bring that out. Whether you're a practicing attorney, you have to have them to testify to it. Without that, the court can't use factor number one.